Are you ready to unlock the secrets of a sharper, more youthful brain? Today we re-diving into 5 unexpected habits that can make a significant difference in boosting your cognitive function and keeping your mind agile as you age. These aren't just ordinary habits. They're scientifically backed strategies that can help you enhance your memory, increase your focus, and improve your overall brain health. So get ready to discover the power of habit and learn how you can incorporate these simple yet effective practices into your daily life, whether you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or beyond. These habits have the potential to transform your brain game and leave you feeling mentally rejuvenated. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together, starting with number 1, a daily dose of wonder, keeping your brain young at any age. Have you ever wondered what sets some people apart when it comes to maintaining a sharp and youthful mind as they age? The answer often lies in their daily habits. Now here's an unexpected one, embracing a daily dose of wonder. It might sound intriguing, but it's backed by science. Engaging in activities that stimulate your curiosity and make you see the world from different perspectives can actually help keep your brain sharp. This could be as simple as reading a book on a topic you've never explored before, watching a documentary about a subject that fascinates you, or even taking up a hobby like astronomy or mythology. It could also mean visiting a museum, attending a lecture or workshop, attending a lecture each day to explore something that sparks your interest. The key is to make it a daily habit. This approach has been shown to stimulate various areas of the brain, enhancing cognitive function and keeping it agile. So embrace your inner child's sense of wonder. Make curiosity your companion, and watch as your brain benefits from this delightful habit. Next up, we have habit number 2, sharper than yesterday. How consistency makes all the difference. In the realm of brain health, consistency is truly the key to unlocking your cognitive potential. Remember that old adage, practice makes perfect? It holds particularly true when it comes to keeping your brain sharp. Whether you're looking to enhance your memory, boost your concentration, or simply maintain cognitive agility, consistency is your secret weapon. But why is consistency so crucial? Our brains are remarkably adaptable organs. They form new connections and strengthen existing ones based on our habits and behaviors. By practicing certain activities consistently, you send a signal to your brain that these tasks are important, prompting it to invest more resources and energy into them. For example, if you want to improve your memory, engaging in memory exercises regularly will help your brain allocate more resources toward memory functions. Similarly, if you want to enhance your concentration, dedicating consistent time each day to mindfulness or focus-building exercises can yield significant results. The key is to start small and gradually build consistency. Set realistic goals for yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, it's not about the intensity, it's about the longevity. Consistent practice, even in small doses, can lead to remarkable transformations in your cognitive abilities. So embrace the power of consistency and watch as your brain flourishes. At number 3, tangle-free minds. The surprising link between physical activity and cognitive agility. Did you know that your physical health and cognitive health are more intertwined than you might think? Here is an unexpected link. Regular physical activity can help keep your mind sharp and your brain tangles free. But how does movement impact your brain? As you engage in physical activity, your body gets more active, including your heart, lungs, and muscles. This increased activity boosts blood flow, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to your brain. A well-nourished brain is better equipped to function optimally, enhancing cognitive performance. Moreover, exercise stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a remarkable substance that supports the growth and development of brain cells. This can lead to improved memory, increased focus, and enhanced cognitive flexibility. Studies have shown that regular physical activity can help reduce the risk of cognitive decline and age-related diseases like Alzheimer's. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming can make a significant difference. And don't forget to include strength training exercises to keep those muscles strong. You'll not only keep your mind sharp, but also enhance your overall well-being. Our fourth habit is nourishing your brain power. The impact of nutrition on cognitive function. Did you know that what you eat has a profound impact on how well your brain functions? Just like any other part of your body, your brain needs the right fuel to stay sharp and perform its best. But which foods are best suited for fueling your brain? It all starts with understanding that your brain requires a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients to function optimally. This means incorporating foods that are high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while minimizing processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol. Some excellent brain-boosting foods include fatty fish like salmon, which are packed with omega-3 fatty acids essential for brain health, avocados rich in monounsaturated fats that support cognitive function, and blueberries brimming with antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress. Whole grains, nuts, and seeds also provide vital nutrients that contribute to optimal brain performance. By making informed choices about what you eat, you can nourish your brain and support its functions. Remember, a well-nourished brain is better equipped to tackle challenges, enhance memory, and maintain cognitive agility. Finally, we arrive at number 5, the restorative power of sleep. How quality sleep enhances brain performance. In the pursuit of a sharper mind, one habit stands out as a cornerstone: quality sleep. While it might seem counterintuitive to associate rest with mental acuity, the truth is that sleep plays a pivotal role in optimizing brain performance. But how does sleep impact cognitive function? When you sleep, your brain undergoes a series of restorative processes that are crucial for maintaining cognitive agility. During sleep, your brain consolidates memories, transferring information from short-term to long-term memory stores. This enhances your ability to recall information when needed, improving your overall memory capacity. Additionally, sleep enhances learning by strengthening neural connections related to the newly acquired information. It also plays a vital role in emotional regulation, helping you process and manage emotions more effectively. The restorative effects of sleep extend to attention and focus. A well-rested brain is better equipped to concentrate on tasks, filter distractions, and maintain sustained attention. The impact of sleep on cognitive function is so significant that sleep deprivation has been shown to impair memory, attention, and decision-making abilities. To reap the cognitive benefits of sleep, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, maintain a consistent sleep schedule, and create a conducive sleep environment. By prioritizing sleep, you'll empower your brain to function at its best. As we conclude our exploration of these 5 unexpected habits for a younger brain, consider embracing them as integral parts of your daily routine. Each habit, from embracing daily wonder to prioritizing quality sleep, offers a unique path to enhancing your brain's vitality and cognitive performance. While consistency, physical activity, nutrition, and sleep are universal factors, the habit of embracing wonder caters to individual interests and hobbies. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you can experience their combined benefits. Monitor your progress, celebrate milestones, and adjust your approach as needed. Remember, it's not about achieving perfection, but about making consistent efforts toward a sharper, more youthful brain. If you found these habits helpful, don't hesitate to share them with friends and family. Together, we can support each other in maintaining cognitive health and embracing a lifestyle that nurtures the brain's remarkable capabilities. So start today and unlock the full potential of your amazing brain.